In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download a copy of your data on X, formerly Twitter. Before you begin, you gotta verify that your email address is confirmed on Twitter, and ensure your phone number is also confirmed. Begin by logging into your Twitter account for the browser you'll use to download the archive. In the left-hand navigation bar, click on the More icon. If only see the icon, hover your mouse over it to see its name pop up. Click on Settings and Support, and then Settings and Privacy. Choose your account, then select Download an archive of your data. Enter your password, then the code generated by the two-step verification process. And the code can be sent to the email or phone number associated with your Twitter account. Click on the blue Request Archive button. Twitter states that preparing the archive can take a day or more. So you'll receive a notice in the Twitter app when the zip file is ready to download. And now you can have access to all of your data on Twitter. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.